Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your MacBook Air model and the correct SSD interface so you don't buy incompatible hardware. Once you have a current backup via Time Machine or a full clone, you reduce data loss risk. Make sure to power down, unplug, and work on a grounded surface. Use the proper Torx or tri-wing drivers and an anti-static strap because delicate connectors and the logic board can be damaged. This first step prevents mistakes and prepares you to replace. You remove the lowercase screws and gently lift the bottom cover, exposing the internals. Once the cover is off, disconnect the battery so nothing shorts while you work. This protects the logic board. Then unscrew the SSD retaining screw, carefully slide the old SSD out in the correct orientation, and insert the new drive. Make sure the connector seats fully and any spacers match. Tightening screws just snug prevents strip damage. Once done, reconnect the battery and close the case. You boot into recovery mode and open Disk Utility to format the new SSD as apps for recent Mac OS or Mac OS Extended for older systems, because proper formatting ensures bootability. Once formatted, reinstall Mac OS from recovery or restore your backup with Migration Assistant so your apps and settings return. If the drive doesn't appear, make sure the connector is fully seated. Try reseating the SSD and reset the SMC or NVRAM to clear hardware state. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.